Hello guys, so here I am in some test spreadsheet and I want to share it. So what I need to do, I just click on this button and then I will just invite people on their email addresses. Just time some of my email addresses. Then I can add note. I can check which settings do I want to do. So I want people that they can edit, can comment, or can view. And then basically just add in some note and I just can click send. Just make sure that if people you are sharing your Google Sheet with also have a Gmail account, it won't work with Outlook or Yahoo.com or stuff like that, only with Gmail. Also here, if you click advanced, you can see all the people who have access to this file, and you can also change link settings. So here you can just enable public, so anyone on internet can find it and access. So here you see I have an email notification. Then on you can enable this option if you would like to have anyone who has access to link to this Google Sheet, so he automatically will have access, so he can edit, comment and view. It can be useful in some team or organization, so you can just share the link and everyone can edit, but just be careful with that. And off to specific people, it means that you can invite only specific people by their email addresses. But that's basically how it works. This is how you share a Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.